Redefine surface-mounted luminous panel installations with the innovative Metalux multi-mount LED surface panel by Cooper Lighting Solutions, a sleek new solution designed to save you time, cost, and provide ultimate versatility. No need to budget for a separate surface mount kit. The integrated surface mounting design reduces material expenses, making it a cost-effective choice from day one. The Metalux multi-mount eliminates the hassle of assembling an additional surface kit, ensuring quicker, more efficient setups with less on-site labor. Choose from 4 mounting options: surface, wall, suspended, or recessed, and customize with selectable color temperatures and lumen outputs to fit any commercial space. The Metalux multi-mount surface panel is engineered for efficiency and adaptability, perfect for schools, offices, healthcare facilities, and multi-dwelling units. Experience the ingenuity for yourself. Find all the specifications and details on the Metalux MMS in the description below.